Kohlrabi is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that belongs to the Brassicaceae family, which also includes cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. It is known for its bulbous, above-ground stem that is often referred to as the turnip cabbage. Kohlrabi is commonly grown for its tender, mild-flavored, and slightly sweet flesh, which can be eaten raw or cooked. Here is some comprehensive information about Kohlrabi farming. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Climate and soil requirements. Kohlrabi is a cool season crop that thrives in temperate climates. It can tolerate light frosts but doesn't do well in extremely hot temperatures. Ideal temperature range for Kohlrabi cultivation is between 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It prefers well-drained, sandy loam to loamy soils with a slightly acidic to neutral pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Varieties. There are several Kohlrabi varieties available, including both green and purple skin types. Some popular varieties include Early White Vienna, Purple Vienna, Grand Duke, and Colibri. Propagation. Kohlrabi can be propagated through seeds. Direct sowing is the most common method, but you can also start seeds indoors and transplant seedlings later. Seeds should be sown about a half-inch deep and spaced around 4 to 6 inches apart. Thin the seedlings to 6 to 8 inches apart when they are a few inches tall. Planting. Plant Kohlrabi in early spring for a spring harvest or in late summer for a fall harvest. Transplant seedlings or thin the direct sown plants to the recommended spacing. Make sure to provide adequate spacing to allow room for the bulbous stem to develop. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the early stages of growth. Irrigate deeply and avoid water stress, which can lead to woody or bitter-tasting stems. Fertilization. Kohlrabi benefits from a balanced fertilizer application. Incorporate well-rotted compost or a balanced fertilizer before planting. Side dress with additional fertilizer as needed during the growing season. Weeding. Keep the planting area weed-free to reduce competition for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Pest and disease management. Kohlrabi is susceptible to pests such as aphids, cabbage worms, and flea beetles, as well as diseases like clubroot and downy mildew. Practice crop rotation, use row covers, and consider organic or chemical treatments if pest or disease pressure is significant. Harvesting. Kohlrabi bulbs are typically ready for harvest 45 to 60 days after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvest when the bulbs are about 2 to 3 inches in diameter for the best flavor and tenderness. Use a sharp knife to cut the stem just above the soil surface. Conclusion. Kohlrabi is a rewarding crop to grow, and with proper care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of this unique and flavorful vegetable. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.